All right, I already know what you're thinking, Bennett. There's no way to A/B test the reels before you post it. Like, sure, you're probably thinking with YouTube, you can A/B test different thumbnails and see which one performs the best, but there's no way to do this when you upload shorts, right? Well, that's actually not fully true, and this is some sauce that I've been using recently to get way more views by A/B testing different hooks for my videos and then only posting the one that actually performs the best. And the way that you do this is through something called Instagram trial reels. Now, in case you guys don't know, the reason I know this is because I run a juggling channel, which has over 400,000 followers, as I will have on screen now. And yes, I post juggling videos. I'm pretty good at that. And I'm going to show you my growth on my professional dashboard in the past 30 days. And you can see here, we've gained 28,000 followers in that time frame. And I'm telling you, the way that I did this was really mainly through something called trial reels. Now, essentially what a trial reel is it's a reel that you can post that only goes out to people who don't follow you. So you can test it with non-followers first, and then whichever one is performing the best, you can then post as a normal reel that your followers can see. Now, the reason that this is such a good feature is because if I scroll all the way to my Reels tab and then click on Trial Reels, you can see here that I have a bunch of videos ready in my trial reels, and a lot of them are actually the same exact video, but with a slightly different text hook on screen. So you can see here, this one, and this one, all three of them are the same exact video, but we used a different text hook to see which one performed best. And you can see one of them is already outperforming the other two. This one right here with the hook that says juggling is pointless already has 2 times the number of views. But obviously in this case, it didn't really have a big difference. But in some of the other cases down here, we saw a much bigger difference in terms of how many views the video actually got. Like this one right here with cartoon juggling as the text hook got around 1 million views. But the original, which you can't actually tell because we've already clicked share to everyone, got like 3 million views, and it had a slightly different text hook. And so that's how we knew, oh my God, wait, if we just change the text hook slightly, we can get way more views and actually see which video does best. And as far as I can tell, Trial Reels doesn't really punish you for posting basically the same exact video, even if you change just one little thing in it. So you might post the same video 3 times, but just change up the hook between those 3 videos to see which one actually performs the best. Then here's where the money is actually made from that. Because on Instagram, you can just find the video, click on trial reel on the bottom right here, and click share to everyone, and now that video is also going to go to your followers, but the real money is made by posting this across platforms. So on TikTok, for example, posting these videos this month has made me over $3,000, and the month's only like 2/3 over. And if we go to my juggling YouTube channel as well, we can see that's made me $1,900. And if we go to my Snapchat, you can see here that I was literally making thousands of crystals every single day, and each crystal is worth 10 cents. So that means I was literally making hundreds of dollars a day from Snapchat as well. And that's kind of the secret up my sleeve, which is that we use Instagram trial reels to test which reels will do the best. Then we take the actual winning ideas and only post the winning ones across platforms that are actually monetized. So that means my videos are making way more money because they're monetized on TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, and more. And it's all because I actually use Repurpose. Now, this is the trick up my sleeve, which I highly recommend to you guys. But this tool basically lets you automatically repost the videos from whatever your main social media platform is to every single other social media platform. So if you want to try it out, by the way, you can do your first 10 posts 100% for free. And I've used this to literally get monetized on YouTube, Snapchat, and every other platform that I've been making thousands of dollars from. And you can see here, all you have to do is click create a new workflow. And then you could set up posts automatically from, let's say, your TikTok channel to your YouTube channel. And that's exactly what I did. You can see here, whenever we have a winning video from trial reels, we just take that and post it on TikTok, and then Repurpose.io automatically posts it across platforms. And that's been making me a ton of money every single month, as you can see from my estimated revenue on YouTube, and as I showed you with my estimated revenue on Snapchat and on TikTok. So again, highly recommend Repurpose if you're trying to get monetized on those platforms, and definitely use trial reels to actually A/B test your content. And this way you can see which video actually works the best, take the one that you know is going to get the most views, post those on the platforms that you're actually going to get monetized on, have Repurpose automatically repost those for you, and now you're going to get hundreds to thousands of extra dollars because you actually tested which formats were the most validated winning formats before with trial reels, and then use Repurpose to get it on every platform. So once again, the link to Repurpose will be in the description. But yeah, I have to say it's been an absolutely crazy strat, and it's literally made me thousands of dollars this month, almost $10,000 even, just from literally recording the reels that I've made and using trial reels to test which ones work best. So as always, with that being said, thank you guys all so much for watching the video. I'll catch you all in the next one, and peace.